welcome back. I'm George Pearson. This video is about making money online, making money from the comfort of your home. This is a way that you can start earning immediately. This is something that anyone you can do, and you should be able to do this from just about anywhere in the world. What I'm going to be sharing with you is a site that I'm very excited about, or excited to share with you. It's a site that's already paid out over $4 million, so it does pay. In fact, it's rated 5 stars by Trustpilot. This is a site that you do want to check out. It's a good quality site. It will pay you money right away. I'm going to share a website with you that pays you to do simple tasks. I mean, really simple tasks that anybody can do. Best of all, these tasks are tasks that are going to get paid for, so you can start making money literally immediately. I know that my channel is primarily about affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is the very best way that you can earn money online. On the other hand, I also know that a lot of people need money right now. They need money almost right this minute, and that's why I'm sharing this site, because you can make money right this minute. Now, as of yesterday, the average money that was paid to the average person was $17.20 per person. You're not going to get rich on this site, but you are going to be able to make real money. And this is real money. This is not funny money. This is money that can go right into your PayPal account. And the average time that it takes for a user to actually cash out on this site is a little over 17 minutes. This site is free to join. The site is called FreeCash. It's freecash.com. Simply click on register and fill in your address, username, password, confirm your password, read the privacy policy, the terms of service, and click register. And this site is about completing tasks. Complete a task and get paid. Anywhere from joining a website, taking surveys, registering for things like sweepstakes and drawings, opening and using a browser such as Opera. When you join, you're going to get a welcome bonus, and then you're going to make money for every offer, for every task or offer that you complete. And in order to earn money, click on Earn up at the top right, and you'll see thousands of ways that you can earn. There's 7 offer walls, and each of those offer walls contain hundreds of ways that you can earn money. What this simply means is that you've got thousands of tasks that you can choose from. When you find something you like, go ahead and do it. If you don't like it, don't do it. This is the kind of thing that you can do in your spare time. You can do from home. Choose the task that you want from the Earn page. The featured offers are recommended, but again, choose the tasks that you want to do. When you complete your task, you're going to get paid. When you're ready to cash out, you've got PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum. You can get cash put right into your account, for example, with PayPal or types of Bitcoin or Ethereum. You can also get a gift certificate, such as an Amazon, Visa, Netflix, Spotify, and so forth. And as you can see, you've actually got over 20 different ways that you can get paid. And be sure to click on Leaderboard, because FreeCash has got $500 a day up for grabs. $500 per day they pay out in bonuses. And click on $50,000 Advent calendar, because FreeCash runs lotteries, frequently runs lotteries, and you want to be sure you get in on that. If you like this video, and I certainly hope you do, if you're finding value in this video, give it a big thumbs up if you would. Do that right now. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Allow me to wish you much success. I am rooting for you. I'll see you in the next video.